Hello everybody, this is Winterbrose. In this video segment for pulse mode blending, we're going to show you how to get into the edit mode so you can actually make changes to your objects within Blender. You can see here we have Blender 2.83.4 running, and so what we'll do is we will go ahead and show you. Basically, object mode allows you to move and look at objects at the object level, but if you want to actually do any editing on the object, you have to go up here and change it from object mode to edit mode, and that just changes different options. You'll see it looks a little bit different in the viewport. And of course, then again, if when you're done editing some of the stuff, you got a lot of fancy controls. You can do all kinds of stuff, and you want to go back, you can just go back to object mode, and then you'll be done with your editing. So when you ever start Blender and if you're a beginner and you get frustrated, just don't forget you got to go up there on the menu and you got to change from object mode to edit mode. And this is how you're going to be able to change things within Blender for your different models. Until you get used to Blender, sometimes it becomes kind of you forget, oh, I'm in object mode. I got to go to edit mode if you want to edit anything or change anything on the actual model. We hope you enjoyed this video presentation. Have a great day.